Yo, what's up, chat? Today's video, I'm going to be showing you how and when to buy meme coins. So to start off, meme coins are ran by an agenda or narrative. Not everything can run in this space. The things that make people lose the most in this space are trading with emotions, aping without research, and not knowing what a rug pull is. Now in today's video, I'm going to be showing you the best methods on finding a good meme coin to enter. The best way on knowing what a good meme coin looks like is to track big wallets to see what they're aping into. Then analyzing why they did it and then doing it for yourself. So to start off, you want to click import wallets. Then you want to head over to our Discord where we have a wallets channel. You want to download that file. Then you want to open it. Then you want to copy all the contents. So we're going to open the file. We're going to do Control A, Control C, head over back to BULLX, Control V. Then we can click confirm. And now all the wallets are in the BULLX wallet tracker. Then you can click on the alert button, so whenever the selected wallet buys or sells, it gives you an alert in the alert box. This is helpful to find the meta or to see what people with big wallets are aping into at the time. So now let's talk strategy. I like to ape in coins on the post-migration dip. The reason coins dip after migration are people cashing their 2x's, 3x's, 4x's, and the snipers instant selling after migration. So on this coin, you will see the snipers getting in and then some of them getting out. The first dip is where I would buy. You could obviously get a better entry, but you never know if the coin will dip below that point again. The coin ended up going to 350k market cap. That is a 3x in a matter of a minute, but there are also some risk in the strategy. If the coin gets dumped to more than 70% of the market cap, then I would not enter the coin. The next thing I want to show you guys is the Fibonacci chart. This chart gives you a better understanding on where the resistance points are on the coin and gives you an indicator for an entry. To properly set it up, you want to pick a low part of the coin and drag it to the peak of the coin. The places I would buy is around 0.5 and 0.6. Any higher and you will most likely lose the trade or make nothing. But other than that, guys, thank you guys for watching. I'm going to be doing a giveaway on my Twitter, so make sure you have notifications on. See you guys.